Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today is a very special day because we are going to be showing you how easy it is to make pie crust like this in your own home, whether it's Thanksgiving or any special holiday. We're also going to be working with Jessie and Rita with their channels so that you can have a whole Thanksgiving menu at your fingertips. So come on in, let's get baking. Now it's time for the best pie crust you will ever taste. We're taking 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour into a food processor, 1 stick of unsalted chilled butter that's already cubed, a pinch of salt, and then a 1/4 cup of ice water that we're going to add a little bit at a time, pulsing until it's just combined. We want to have that nice flaky crust that everyone is going to rave about at your dinner table. Let's introduce the other channels who are bringing their unique recipes to our Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, I'm Jessie.
Happy Thanksgiving, I'm Rita.
Be sure to check out Rita's Facebook page, New You Nourish.
Definitely check out Jessie's YouTube channel called Catalina Treats, Gluten-Free Bakery.
Now that we have our dough made, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. You'll see that I'm rolling it in between 2 Silpats. If you don't have a Silpat, we have it linked below, or use parchment paper. It's just going to make our lives a little bit easier. So let it rest 30 minutes, refrigerator, and then we're going to have some fun. Get out those cookie cutters, get creative. You're going to see that you can create any design that you'd like on top of your pie, and I hope that ours inspires yours. Now that we have our pie crust all nicely decorated, we're going to set that heat to 375 degrees, and we're going to egg wash the top. You'll see that I have 1 egg, a little bit of heavy cream, and a teaspoon of water. Just stir that up, whisk it up, and then thoroughly coat the top of your shell. Now here's my favorite part. We're going to be using some food-safe paintbrushes and edible arts, which does have a bit of sparkle to it. So I really think this puts the pie over the top. It brings people in and, kind of just surprises and delights them. So if you need a link to see what edible art I'm using, it will be down below in the description bar.
I just want to give a shout out to Rita. This pumpkin would go so well with her plant-based soup and salad.
And with Jessie's vegetable side dish, I'm going to link her information as well down below in the description bar. And if you're looking for what's featured on our screen right now, the Bourbon Pumpkin Pie recipe, Cam is launching that this week. So right in time for Thanksgiving, we already have it scheduled, and the recipe is already up on our website. So you can click below in the link. To see how to make this Thursday.
I want to say thank you to both Teresa and Jessie for reaching out to do this collaboration for this special holiday.
Each one of us wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. 2020 may not have turned out the way any of us anticipated, but if you can find thanks for the small things in life, the friends you have, the friends that you're about to make, hello, here we are at your channels. We truly appreciate each one of you, and feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Be sure to visit each of our channels so that we can welcome you into our community. And wishing you, cheers to you, happy Thanksgiving. Bye guys.
I'm so grateful to be able to spend time with these wonderful ladies and to share our fun holiday recipes. We're wishing you all hope and happiness.
I want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone viewing from my home to yours.
Happy holidays!